Bonjour mon amour, je m'appelle Dupe. Je vais à Montréal. Je vais à Montréal. Ah, Jerusalem. Oh, Jesus. What's up, guys? Guys, I'm trying to speak French because I'm going to Quebec. I'm going to the province of Quebec. I'm going to Montreal this weekend, guys, and I'm excited about it. Yeah. I'm happy because my husband spent a very long time in Montreal. He landed in Montreal. He schooled in Montreal before he eventually moved to Toronto. And I actually thought that I was going to join him or meet him in Montreal. We didn't even know that he was going to move to Toronto at any point in time. So in my head back there, Montreal, but as God would have it, he moved to Toronto. And I'm here too in Toronto. However, he had always said he wants to take me to Montreal. He had always said it. We've been talking about it. And he also said, there's a church that he used to attend in Montreal, and that the church is so fun. And he said he was going to bring his wife here. And yeah, we are not going. We're going there. It's the Qimic there, guys. I'm excited about it. Today is Wednesday, guys, but we'll be going on Thursday, right? Of course, need to prepare. I'll be spending 3 nights in Montreal. That makes sense because it's going to be driving for like 6-7 hours, going and the same hours coming back to, and probably just felt like really have just Friday and Saturday to move around Montreal because Sunday will be on our way back, Thursday will be on our way going, Sunday will be on our way back. So kind of makes sense so that they can rest because it's the one that will be driving. But I have some things to do before our movement. I need to do some laundry. I need to hand wash some of my stuff that I cannot put in the washing machine. And I need to think of what to pack for 3 nights. I don't know. I need to think of what to pack. I think that's my major challenge now. Okay, still preparing. The next thing I'm doing now is to wash my hair. My hair is in dear need of moisture. It's so dry. My scalp is super thirsty. And the last thing that I want to worry about on this trip is itchy scalp, because when my scalp is so dry, it becomes so itchy. And you can pretty much tell that my hair looks really dry. I know my hair is also looking like neat retwist, or what do we call it? Retwist only. It's been 3 months that I last did a retwist. That 3 months was May, ending of May actually, so it's exactly 3 months. I don't know if I'm ready for another retwist or just wait for another 1 month, but this is about 250 or thereabouts. So retwisting my hair it's work, and I do this myself. Okay, I'll just go get this hair to look pretty much okay, to look healthy, because right now it's looking like an orphan right now. Bonjour mon ami. It's 1 day to go for our Montreal trip, and I'm here. I don't feel prepared at all. After my hair dried yesterday, I put it in this braid. This is what I do to stretch out my locks. And like I was saying, I don't feel prepared. I don't even look prepared. I'm not prepared. That's just the word. But I'm trying to make cookie so that we can have something to eat on our way while driving. It's going to be a 6-hour drive, minimum of 6 hours, and we will definitely get hungry. Definitely feel like we need to munch on something. Okay, in the mood of making preparations, I also need to get out all my what do we call it? What do we call them now? Medication. Let's say supplements instead. Apart from this one that's prescribed, others are vitamins, and which I take daily, on a daily. Important. Because being in this country, guys, my health has been, it's been a whole challenge being in this country, and I'm here popping in pills every day. That's my new life here. This is for 4 days. I bought something from Amazon 2 days ago, and I've been waiting for this since morning to arrive. Again, will they deliver this thing before I leave? Okay guys, let me put my phone down so we can unbox this. Amazon àti kan máa lo pálí ilé ìtẹ̀ ìkéré. I'm excited. I bought this so that I can level up my video creation. There's a manual here, a Type-C mouth cable, and the gimbal tripod. Oh, it comes with the bag. Nice. Makes sense. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry. Let me put it on the floor. What that long? No. Kinda makes sense. Click twice, phone holder rotates to 70 degrees. Guys, I figured this thing out. This is so dope. If you are interested in something like this, I'm going to leave the Amazon link in the description box for you. So let me show you the magic that's happening right here. See, that's it. So sweet. If I double click, I'm clicking this remote here. So if I click once, it just goes back to the original position. If I click this, double click, and it goes 360 degrees, guys. This is so dope. And then returns to its original position. It's a tripod, a gimbal, and it can also work as a selfie stick. Makes sense for travel videos. Makes sense. It just makes sense. I'll put the link in the description for you if you're interested. Let me turn it. See the way I'm flipping things. The remote, the Bluetooth remote comes out, and only charging ports can charge it, and also the holder, the phone holder too has charging. The one that is rotating, it's also using battery to rotate. Yeah, so that too needs to be charged. Let me go and charge it. Are you looking at me? I can't even charge with that because my phone is slow. I need to charge 3 things and I have just one mouse. Okay, I have 2 cables now. It came with Type-C cable. Makes sense. I like it. Yes. That is the quick change for me. Flip from landscape to portrait.
I'll
It's 10 p.m. Yeah, past 10 actually, and I'm not packed yet. The truth is, I don't know what to pack, so I'm in a store. What bag to carry from all of this? I don't know. I'm such a late packer. If it's not very late, I'm not doing it. I think that's one bad thing about me. I'm having a rethink. Should I just use my box? I feel that looks kind of rough. Oh my god, life of a last minute packer. That kind of looks rough. It doesn't look tidy. I think I should use my box instead.
Tell me that you ready to go. Tell me that you ready to go. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting.
Box is obviously better. This one looks better than what I was doing the other time. I look like I look like a homeless person. Bonjour, mon ami. Hey, this one that I'm just saying fresh. I don't know. Which one should go off? Okay, I think you should go off. It's better this way. Okay. This is 8 o'clock. I'm almost set. I'm just having breakfast and then I pack the rest of my stuff inside my handbag. That's all. My hair is out. It actually looks pretty. I'm going to show you when I did that so that you can see it properly. That I look nice. I'm dressed up too. Just to eat. I'll be gone. I'm so excited for this trip, guys. This is our first trip together as a couple. Yay! And many more for us to go. Are you for this? Guys, this my bag is coming out to play. This bag was gifted to me by my friend in US. Kemi, thank you. See, the bag that you said is big. I might not like it. I really love it. This, guys, it's a birthday gift from my friend in US. Let me say thank you to Kemi. Láyọ̀ la máa débi tá ń lọ. Láyọ̀ la padà. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù bò wá. So we should be getting to our destination by 2 o'clock. 2 p.m. You duro. So guys, let the journey begin. I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.